week 1 of 6 weeks of country swing and two-step. I was like, what am I teaching you? So I'm Amber. This is my model, Ashley. So we worked out basic footwork alone, basic footwork as partners, and then we started working on our outside turn with our partner. So I'm going to lead with my left as a lead. Ashley's going to lead with her right as a follow, and we'll kind of show you just the basic pattern, almost what you would use in nightclub two-step in a small space. And we're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can also move with it. So we'll travel towards you, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quick, quick, slow, slow. And now we're going to partner up. We're going to be in a staggered position where we can look over each other's shoulders so that we can survive in the line of traffic. And we're going to connect here. My hand is on her mid-back near her shoulder blade. And we're going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, staggered so that we're not stepping on each other's toes. Quick, quick, slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4. And I'm going to do an outside turn with Ashley on the 1 or the quick. And it's going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Do it from a different angle. Quick, quick, slow, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is your week 1 tutorial. Wow, took a